What your name?
My love. What your father name?
My father name is Mr. Cookie.
વાવ.
What your goal?
My goal is success. What your father name?
My mother name is Mrs. Mamta Devi.
What is your brother name?
My brother name is Neil.
What is your hobby?
My hobbies name is study.
What is your school?
My school name is Blyland Public School.
વાવ.
But you,
I study.
but your goal,
My goal is success.
got your hobbies.
My hobby is study. What is favorite book name?
My favorite book English.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color pink.
What is your school name?
My school name is Blyland Public School.
થેન્ક યુ.